studio tonight General Bishambar Dayal, Major Samarpal Tur, and Colonel Shailendra Singh from the Indian side. And from the Pakistani side, Abdul Samad Yaqoob, PTI leader. And I'm joined by Asim Raza, an anchor and seasoned journalist from Islamabad. Asim, this admission that Pakistan has made that it is behind Pahalgam is very important. And it has been made by the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, who has said that we are totally behind this terrorist group called the TRF. He has admitted that. It's a very big statement, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Very significant statement, you think?
It's a confession, actually.
You think it's a confession?
Yes, it's a confession.
Why do you say it's a confession?
I'm saying it's a confession because they know they've been involved. The world knows that they've been involved. And if you are trying to eliminate... You see, it's like a police report from where a culprit, you want to remove his name because by running left, right, they thought this is their diplomatic victory. In fact, they must have bagged large number of people and must have got this deleted from there. So it's a direct confession that, look, they have been sponsoring...
But so far they've been saying, Colonel Shailendra, that we don't know who TRF is. Lashkar was there, we have blacklisted Lashkar, but TRF we don't know. Now, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan has said, I have been working very hard to get the name of TRF deleted from a UNSC press statement on Pahalgam. What does it indicate?
You see, it's a confession. No, it's not a confession, sir. Bishambar, sir. It's an ignorant confession.
Why do you say ignorant?
Oh yes, because उसने कभी सपने में सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इस तरह का बोल जाऊंगा, where it will come out as a confession, कि otherwise, had he been a little wiser man, he would have not even said it. He would have not said it. By saying it itself, he has dug his own grave.
Because his whole strategy, viewers, let me explain. जो सारी स्ट्रेटेजी है पाकिस्तान की, ये है कि हम टीआरएफ कौन है? हम टीआरएफ जानते नहीं है. ये टीआरएफ होम ग्रोन इंडियन ग्रुप है, उनके साथ हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. राइट समर? अगर इंडियन होम ग्रोन ग्रुप है जिसके साथ पाकिस्तान का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो पाकिस्तान के विदेश मंत्री क्यों यूएन सिक्योरिटी रेजोल्यूशन से उनका नाम निकाल रहे थे? समर, इट रिवील्स पूरी, मतलब द गेम इज आउट.
Arnab,
we must attack Pakistan now.
Arnab, imagine to what lengths they would have gone to get the name TRF expunged.
He admitted.
And if you connect the dots, it starts from Asif Munir with the two-nation theory and hatred against Hindus. Then the second dot is connected by TRF. Also, you know, I feel that the pattern of attack and the behavior of attack is similar to PAFF, People's Anti-Fascist Force. This was the attack which was carried out last year against all Hindu pilgrims in Riyasi and Poonch and Rajouri region. And they too made the videos. They recorded them as a propaganda masala. And these guys, again, they did the same heinous crimes, recorded everything. Now, the big catch is, if it is tracked where these videos are going to be edited and made, trust me, that day is going to draw the end.
I want to go back to our park guests, Asim Raza and Abdul Samad Yaqoob. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, we got to understand one thing, that over last 7 days, it's not our military intelligence or our agencies have started the information or psychological warfare. It is our media, Indian democracy, Indian people. It is people like us, retired people whom you invite. We have created such a psychological warfare pressure that in a foolish bravado, the External Affairs Minister makes the statement. In a foolish bravado, the Defense Minister makes a statement which is totally contrary. He doesn't know. Sometimes he goes here, sometimes he goes there. Sometimes he says war is imminent. Sometimes he says I must leave Pakistan because war is coming to me. Arnab, they do not know what is going to unfold when our government, when our proper machinery, we've been talking that, you know, CNN and all these guys do information and psychological warfare. Hats off to Indian media. We have created so much fear, so much psychological pressure.
I tell you, they are so scared.
That they are so scared.
They are so scared. Today I was told in the Pakistani Senate, the Pakistani politicians came up and they started saying, Abdul Samad Yaqoob, ये अर्नब गोस्वामी से कौन डरता है? अर्नब गोस्वामी क्यों कह रहे हैं भारत सरकार को हम पे अटैक करने के लिए? रिपब्लिक क्यों कह रहा है कि पाकिस्तान पे अटैक करो? देयर होल फोकस इज ऑन रिपब्लिक। अब सुबह से और चेयरमैन बोल रहे जनाब और मत बोलिए और मत बोलिए और मत बोलिए।
क्रिएटेड दैट प्रेशर।
आई प्ले द क्लिप।
यू क्रिएटेड दैट प्रेशर।
नो इट इज ये सैफुल्लाह अब्रो वाली बाइट देखिए। आई जस्ट वांट टू प्ले दिस बाइट। कैन आई प्ले इट आउट? हियर इट इज, लुक एट दिस। ओके, विल प्ले इट एंड प्ले।
यहाँ मीडिया की वहां जो हाइप क्रिएट इंडिया में की ना, वहां भी एक अर्नब गोस्वामी है, वो ऐसे पागल हुआ पड़ा है। भाई आप अर्नब गोस्वामी हमें क्या सिखाएंगे? हमारे यहाँ भी 7-8 ऐसे लोग थे जिनको तमगा इम्तियाज मिला। हम उनकी बातें सुनते हैं। तुमसे में कौन सा खौफ आएगा? कोई खौफ नहीं आएगा। बेशक तुम कितनी भी पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ तकारीर करो, इंडिया के लोग उसको गालियां देते हैं। भाई बात यह है कि जब आप हक की नुमाइंदगी नहीं करेंगे, जब इंडिया जालिम है, इंडिया ने खुद ये वाक़े करवाए हैं, जब उसको आप हाईलाइट नहीं करेंगे उनके मुल्क का मसला तो नहीं होगा। और अर्नब गोस्वामी कहता है नहीं जाओ जाओ पाकिस्तान में हमला करो, यहाँ हमने कोई चूड़ियां पहनी है।
ये देखो, this is the thing. Now the thing is, Ishaq Dar said, very important point, Asim. Ishaq Dar said that I was working, the Pakistani government has worked very, very hard to remove the name of TRF from the UN Security Council statement that condemned the Pahalgam attack. And he kept saying, he said, you know, हमने कितना काम किया, how hard we worked to protect the TRF. This is an admission by Pakistan that it has carried out Pahalgam. I'm right? It's an admission. This is Foreign Minister of Pakistan. Of course, it's an admission.
You're taking it on the wrong way. You're taking it on the wrong way. It's not an admission. It's a success on the diplomatic way. Like the way you're putting us on the meal front and you're blaming us for that. It's not like that. It's not like that.
Yeah, Asim, one second. Asim, one question to you, please. See, you are saying it's not an admission. Now, kindly tell me that your government, right, has the right to say that Pakistan is not involved in the Pahalgam attack, and you are putting that defense and saying India should not attack us because we are not involved. But why is your foreign minister saying I'm constantly on the phone with New York, I have worked day and night to protect the TRF? Can you tell me why are you protecting the group that has owned up the Pahalgam attack? Why are you protecting the group?
I don't know. Who owns that Pahalgam?
TRF.
Can you say it?
TRF.
TRF?
Yes. And your foreign minister is saying, I am working to protect TRF. See, be clear. See, Asim, we have to be very logical here. You're a journalist also. Your foreign minister in your Senate is standing up and saying that on behalf of Pakistan, on behalf of the government of Pakistan, I fought day and night to make sure the blame is not put on TRF. The TRF is the elite, TRF is the perpetrator. You are saying TRF has put out a statement that we have carried out the attack to target people who are not Kashmiris, who are coming as tourists. And the government of Pakistan is saying we are working to protect the TRF. और वहां पे तालियां बज रही थी। उसके बाद में स्टेटमेंट दिखाता हूं आपको मैं। हम तो देख के चौंक गए इधर भारत। हम देख के चौंक के क्या हो रहा है?
Can you show me the statement?
Okay, I'll show the statement. Asim.
No. If we show you the statement and it is same, will you agree?
Yeah. Will
you apologize?
Will you apologize? The statement.
No.
Then
No. Asim.
Proof चाहिए.
Is the clip ready? Is the clip ready? One minute. देखिए आसिम जी, मैं आपको बात बता। ये मैं इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है जनरल साहब कि ये स्टेटमेंट फॉरेन मिनिस्टर, ये तो या तो बोले एआई वाली स्टेटमेंट है या टेप जेन्युइन नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान सेनेट में ऐसा नहीं हुआ। मगर अगर मेरे प्रोड्यूसर वो स्टेटमेंट दे दें तो मैं प्ले करना चाहता हूं वही स्टेटमेंट, उसमें तालियां भी दिख लीजिए। आसिम जी सुन लीजिए, आसिम जी आप सुन लीजिए।
आसिम तो बात ये है कि देखिए,
एक रुके बोलिए इनको बोलने दें। हाँ बोलिए, क्या बोल रहे हैं सब बोलिए।
देखिए, we do not need this as a proof.
Yes.
For 30 years we know you are promoting, propagating, training. You are the mastermind of all the terrorism that has gone in India. We have no doubt. Yes, you can
That's what
keep
you're
clapping,
suggesting on your
friend.
media.
You can clap,
That's
you
your
can do what
own
you feel
defense
like.
minister said to
The
you.
Indian state,
You
the
are
Indian
promoting this
people,
thing.
we are very clear
You are
that the
saying this thing
entire
and you are
terrorism,
putting the two
the
atomic
entire
power
terrorism,
nations on
listen,
fire.
the
Eyeball to
entire
eyeball.
terrorism
Like you
on Indian
dumb-
state
you
has
fool
been
people.
launched by
You dumb
Pakistani
fool
army.
people.
Listen,
Dumb through.
Listen,
तो
it is
गाँव
Pakistani
माता
army,
ये
it is Pakistani ISI which has brought this terrorism to our home. Now it is the time for us to not to address schools.
Let's address the issue legally. Asim, with respect. Asim साहब, पूरे रेस्पेक्ट के साथ मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, और अभी तक मैंने अब्दुल समाद याकूब जी को इनवाइट भी नहीं किया कुछ कहने के लिए। आपने कहा अर्नब क्या आप मुझे टेप दिखा सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक तरह से जिस तरह की आपकी रिएक्शन हुई, जिस तरह की आपकी रिएक्शन, आपके रिएक्शन को देखते हुए मुझे लग रहा है कि आप एक सेंस ऑफ डिसबिलीफ में हैं कि ऐसे जोकर हमारे फॉरेन मिनिस्टर है जिन्होंने सेनेट में एडमिट कर दिया कि हमने पहलगाम अटैक कराई है। एक तरफ आप देखिए यू आसिम सी, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि
I was laughing when you were saying that in the parliament there was a discussion on you. I was laughing, in fact. That's not more than it.
I will play. You can laugh at anything. Now my question is, I will play the soundbite. अभी statement आप देखेंगे. Here it is. Play the statement.
I'm very
Play the
sorry.
statement.
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में
ये
एक फोरम बना जिसका नाम है द रेजिस्टेंस फोरम, और उस पे उसको कंडेम किया गया, उसको जिम्मेदार ठहराया गया उस प्रेस रिलीज में। तो मुझे आई, मैंने देखा, मैंने कहा ये एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है,
एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं।
पहलगाम के साथ आपको लिखना पड़ेगा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। मुझे बड़े बड़े कैपिटल से कॉलें आई कि देखें इस वक्त मैं जी नथिंग डूइंग, ये नहीं हो सकता, पाकिस्तान में नॉट एक्सेप्ट। वो कहते हैं आप पे ब्लेम आएगा, प्रेस रिलीज नहीं हुई, इतना बड़ा वाकया हुआ, आपके जाफर एक्सप्रेस भी फ्री ये आई थी, कंडेमनेशन की, टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी को कंडेम किया गया था। मैंने कहा ये रेडी, बट प्लीज यू हैव टू पुट इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड हैव टू डिलीट दिस TRF।
You have to delete the TRF। और इसके बाद आगे भी है। देखिए, ये आदमी ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोल रहा है कि मैंने यूएन को कहा कि कुछ भी हो जाए TRF का नाम नहीं आना चाहिए। अब TRF के साथ आपका लेना देना तो खुल गया है। अब्दुल समाद याकूब, मैं आई एम नॉट पुटिंग वर्ड्स इन हिज माउथ, ये भाई साहब ने खुद कहा।
TRF को, if you are saying about the TRF, अगर जिसके भी एक इंडिपेंडेंट ग्रुप हो या जो भी हो और वो पाकिस्तान के साथ मुंसलिक करके उसको ऐड ऑन किया जाए, तो मैं ख्याल से समझता हूं कि ये एक दिस इज अ बिग सक्सेस फॉर अस।
नो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। एक मिनट आसिफ लॉजिक समझो। ये वन मिनट लेट मी टॉक टू यू। मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश करता हूं। अब्दुल समाद साहब जी आप आइए, बहुत क्रिटिकल मोमेंट है डिबेट। TRF आप कहते हैं आपको पता ही नहीं कौन है। आप हमेशा कहते हैं यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट। ये कौन है TRF? टेररिस्ट इंसिडेंट होती है, हम कहते हैं कि भाई TRF तो लश्कर तोयबा है, और नहीं लश्कर को तो हमने बैन कर दिया है। हम TRF कौन है जानते ही नहीं है इनके बारे में, जिनके बारे में आप जानते नहीं है। एक मिनट असीम साहब, एक मिनट, जिसके बारे में आप जानते ही नहीं है उनके लिए आप डिप्लोमेटिक जंग क्यों फाइट कर रहे हैं?
Why you are attaching that name with Pakistan?
मैं तो फोकस करूंगा उस पे, because the cat is out of the bag.
No, it's not like that.
Oh, it's like that. It's like that. It's like that.
No.
Shailendra, it's like that.
सुनो
We got him right now, right here. Got him.
You said that मेरे को वो बाइट सुनाओ, आपको
मैंने सुना दी ना। मैंने सुना दी, और भी आगे है वो भी सुना दो।
What are you trying to justify now?
पाकिस्तान के साथ
Where is the justification?
आपके
नहीं पाकिस्तान के साथ जबरदस्ती
No, it has got nothing to do with Pakistan. It has got nothing to do with Pakistan.
असीम साहब, या तो ये फॉरेन मिनिस्टर आपके इन्होंने झूठ बोला है तो इनको निकाल दीजिए नौकरी से,
या फिर आप
सैक कर दीजिए। मगर जो बात सेनेट में कही है कि हम TRF के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, आपने कल का TRF कौन है जानते ही नहीं है, और आज कह रहे हैं बहुत बड़ी काम कर दिया हमने, TRF का नाम डिलीट कर दिया। वी पुट आवर फुट डाउन पूरे पाकिस्तान की ओर से, जहां पे आज खाने को नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, $1 303 रुपए के हो रहे हैं। और आप मेरी बात सुनिए, $1 आपके 303 रुपए हो गए, आप क्या लड़ेंगे? एनीवे, but your foreign minister has admitted, and Arnab Goswami is saying it on Republic, you're caught red-handed with your hand in the cookie jar.
आपका तो डॉलर भी डूब जाएगा तो सब कुछ डूब जाएगा।
Don't go by dollar.
पकड़ लिया मैंने.
Look after my dollar.
He's caught.
You tell me whether
He's caught. Has he been caught?
Lord said it or not.
He's caught.
On record. It is in your parliament on record, and you say you don't know it. What will you know? You asked that demanded that this be played. It has been played now. What are you justifying? What are you justifying now?
I am saying to you, Asim.
No,
Asim,
be
sabar
logical.
ko lagiye. Asim, I'm saying to you. Asim, I'm saying to you.
How can he
Let's
justify?
get General Saab. One, I am saying here, Abdul Samad Yaqub, you please explain to Asim Raza that the foreign minister of Pakistan has admitted that he is fighting for the group that has killed people in Pahalgam. This creates a direct link between you and the Pahalgam massacre.
दुनिया को दिखाया है, आईडीज दिखा रहे थे.
आपने रिवील कर दी.
आप अपने मेजर साहब जो संदीप है ना उसको निकालो पहले.
But he spoke. इन्होंने एडमिट कर लिया. अभी क्या बाकी है? अभी सिर्फ हमारी अटैक बाकी है. इसके बाद सिर्फ हम पूरी दुनिया हमारे साथ खड़ी रहेगी क्योंकि हम कहेंगे कि भैया इनके तो विदेश मंत्री ने एडमिट कर लिए.
मेजर संदीप इज योर टेररिस्ट. उसको पकड़ो जिसको हमने कल दिखाया है.
You are in trouble, Asim. You're caught
I'm not in
red-handed.
trouble.
Asim, you find some hole to hide.
Don't you bother to.
Asim, you're
अरे आप कोई बिल ढूंढ लें छुपने के लिए, जगह नहीं नसीब होगी.
तो सर आपने
People are calling in from Pakistan saying Arnab has caught. People are calling from Pakistan saying Arnab Goswami ने पूरे पाकिस्तान को एक्सपोज कर दिया. उनके फॉरेन मिनिस्टर के स्टेटमेंट में ये आसिम क्या कर रहे हैं?
अभी विकराल डूबेगा.
All of Pakistan is saying today कि रंगे हाथ पकड़ा है मैंने आपके सरकार.
Arnab, it is imminent that they have blood of the Americans on their hands. They have blood of the Russians on their hands. They have the blood of the British on their hands. They have betrayed US. You have betrayed your own ally for 10 years. तुम किसी के सगे नहीं हो. असीम, सबसे गद्दार मुसलमान देश दुनिया थूकती है तुम पे. शर्म आनी चाहिए. You are a grown-up man with no IQ.
अब्दुल समाज जी इनको समझाइए. 1 मिनट. अब्दुल समाज जी इनको समझाइए. ये गंभीर मसला है. ये स्टेटमेंट जो आपके फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ने अपने सेनेट में दिए कि आपने अपने डिप्लोमेटिक कोड को यूज करके टेररिस्ट ग्रुप को प्रोटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की है. It is nothing but a technically valid admission of your hand in Pahalgam. Abdul Samad Yaqub, please explain.
मैं 1 मिनट में आपको समझा देता हूं. When it comes to the Masood Azhar, Maulana Masood Azhar, it took 10 years to United Nations to declare him the proscribed terrorist personality. 10 साल लगे United Nations को, United Nations Security Council को, because Pakistan was using China, कि चाइना जो है वीटो कर देता था और प्रोसीजरल उसमें जो है वो फ्लॉज ले आता था. तो इट टुक अ डेकेड फॉर इंडिया टू डिक्लेयर टू गेट द लिजिटिमेसी दैट मौलाना मसूद अजहर इज द टेररिस्ट पर्सन. आई मीन यूएन डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट. अब ये टीआरएफ की बात जब हो रही है, मुझे आप एक सिंपल सी बात है, आप कंपैरिजन में चले जाते हैं. ये फॉरेन मिनिस्टर शेमलेस क्रिएचर, ये फॉरेन मिनिस्टर डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ये इसकी क्या क्रेडेंशियल्स है? ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, ये नवाज शरीफ का टैक्स का ये मैनेजर, उसका इसका बेटा नवाज शरीफ की बेटी के साथ, यानी कि नवाज शरीफ की बेटी इसके घर में है. इसके क्रेडेंशियल्स ये है कि ये नवाज शरीफ का रिश्तेदार.
पाकिस्तान के मामले आते हैं, समझ ये चीजें तुम्हें बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है,
और बात करने दो मुझे,
इनको
बीच में इंटरप्ट नहीं करो.
शैलेंद्र,
बात करने दो मुझे. तुम
क्या बात है? तुम
जर्नलिस्ट बने, बात करने दो मुझे.
वो बात कर रहे हैं
क्या इसहाक डार की रिश्तेदारी नहीं है नवाज शरीफ के साथ? इसका क्या क्रेडेंशियल? देखो, जयशंकर के साथ कंपैरिजन कर लो. जयशंकर इंडियन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर, इंडियन एक्सटर्नल मिनिस्टर, सीजन जो है ना, वो एक डिसेंट आदमी जो है वो
पीटीआई की अपनी खोड़न जो है ना करेंगे, मत निकालो. ठीक है, भी ये पाकिस्तानी एनाउंसर लाइक अ पाकिस्तानी.
बात पूरी करो, बात पूरी करने दो, बात पूरी करने दो. ठीक है, बात पूरी. तुमने आईएसआई को जाकर रात को रिपोर्ट करनी है तुमने. बात पूरी करने दो।
ऐसा ही तो
ऐसे इंटरेस्ट नहीं करो मुझे। तो रात को रिपोर्ट करनी है, मेरा कोई मसला नहीं है रात को रिपोर्ट करने का। अच्छा, अब एक फॉरेन मिनिस्टर उस फॉरेन मिनिस्टर को जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, टैक्सेशन का वो मैटर हैंडल करता है, उसको टीआरएफ का क्या पता? उसको क्या पता? और यार उधर जाके बता देना कि मैं बहुत अच्छा बोल के आया हूँ, ऐसा ही को जाके बताना जाओ, उधर जाके रिपोर्ट जमा कराना, मेरे सामने ना बोलो। तुम लोग आते हो उधर से आते हो तुम लोग उधर बीगी बिली बन के सेफ हाउस में, सुबह जो है ना तुमने रिपोर्टें जमा करानी होती हैं। तुमने कहना होता है कि अदब के प्रोग्राम में हमने जनाब बड़ी फड़ मार दी, हमने को बड़ा जवाब। तमीज से कल से लगे हुए तुम, कल से तुम लगे हुए हो, कल से तुम पूरा पाकिस्तान लगा हुआ है मेरे खिलाफ। कल से है किसको? तुमने तो तुम्हारी तो कहा कैप्टन मेजर से ज्यादा रिपोर्ट करने की है नहीं। तुमने कल एक मेजर को रिपोर्ट करना है जाके, मेजर साहब मैं बहुत अच्छा बोला, तुम्हारी ये औकात है, ये तुम्हारी औकात है। तुमने एक मेजर पकड़ना, उसको कहना मेजर साहब।
एक मिनट आसिफ साहब, देखिए एज वी आर स्पीकिंग आपके फॉरेन मिनिस्टर इज, आई वांट अनदर ब्रेकिंग न्यूज स्टोरी, 2-3 डेवलपमेंट्स हुई हैं, आई वांट टू शेयर देम राइट नाउ। 1 minute back there's a tweet, it is put out by this fellow Abdul Basit. कौन है अब्दुल बासित? अब्दुल बासित has put out a tweet.
हाई कमिश्नर,
फॉर्मर एम्बेसडर था। इन्होंने कहा है कि देखिए पहलगाम हमने कराई है, हाँ, क्योंकि कश्मीर का मुद्दा जो है वो अनरिजॉल्व्ड है। He has said that Pahalgam attack took place over the Kashmir issue. This is exactly in the line of what Asif Munir has said. Direct confirmation. आपको, you know, and by the way, as we speak, the foreign minister is once again, ladies and gentlemen, trying to project this false bravado in a state of complete panic. Because since yesterday, the Pakistanis are saying, now he says, we won't escalate conflict with India, but we'll retaliate if India does. But the information minister says that any time now, Pakistan will be attacked by India.
Defense minister is saying.
Yeah, and here's a report on the state of panic in Pakistan. 2-minute report, and we are back.
At night, 2 o'clock they called him.
The tremors from New Delhi have reached Islamabad. Rattled and panicked, Pakistan is on the back foot. Prime Minister Modi granting the Indian Armed Forces full operational freedom to avenge the Pahalgam massacre has thrown Pakistan into a frenzy. Pakistan's information minister claimed in the dead of night that their government has quote-unquote credible intelligence that India is preparing to strike within the next 24 to 36 hours.
Pakistan has credible intelligence that India intends carrying out military action against Pakistan in the next 24 to 36 hours.
The minister claimed to impart a decisive response to India while simultaneously they went begging to internal forums for an intervention. The fear runs so deep that after effects were seen at the international border. In fact, Republic reported how the Munir army had deserted multiple Pak posts along the international border amid growing fear of retaliation.
Right now we are on the international border, Indo-Pakistan international border in the Pragwal sector. This is the area that is manned by both Indian Army and the Border Security Force. I'll request Sarjeevan to take you to the Pakistani flag. That after this major embarrassment that came for the Pakistani Rangers, when one of their posts that was caught without the Pakistani flag, they removed the flag, and also most important is that they deserted that post, their own post at the international border, which could be more than shame for any of the professional army. But when it comes to the Pakistani Rangers and the professionalism, these are poles apart, and that's why we saw that they were without their post was deserted post, and also there was no flag on the post. But when we continued to reporting it for more than 4 hours, then the Pakistani Rangers got up. They got from their deep slumber and they came. They rose the flag there, and now what we are witnessing, that every Pakistani post that is along the Indo-Pakistan international border, at least in the Pragwal, we can say that the Pakistan has come with the flag. They have installed the new flags. They have installed the flags at every point that is there in their territory on the international border.
But that's not all. India's national resolve reflected through its independent media is spooking even Pak senators.
यहाँ मीडिया की वहाँ जो हाइप क्रिएट इंडिया में की ना, वहाँ भी एक अर्नब गोस्वामी है, वो ऐसे पागल हुआ पड़ा है भाई। ऐसी आप अर्नब गोस्वामी हमें क्या सिखाएंगे? हमारे यहाँ भी 7-8 ऐसे लोग थे जिनको तमगा इम्तियाज मिला। हम उनकी बातें सुनते हैं, तुमसे हमें कौन सा खौफ आएगा? कोई खौफ नहीं आएगा, बेशक तुम कितनी भी पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ तकारीर करो। इंडिया के लोग उसको गालियां देते हैं। भाई बात यह है कि जब आप हक की नुमाइंदगी नहीं करेंगे, जब इंडिया जालिम है, इंडिया ने खुद ये वाक़े करवाए हैं, जब उसको आप हाईलाइट नहीं करेंगे, उनके मुल्क का मसला तो नहीं होगा। और अर्नब गोस्वामी कहता है नहीं जाओ पाकिस्तान में हमला करो, यहाँ हमने कोई चूड़ियां पहनी है।
As India sharpens its sword and prepares to cut the terror state of Pakistan deep, a nervous Pakistan has failed to hide the panic.
And Abhishek Kapoor, our senior executive editor, has breaking news. Abhishek is not yet with us, but ladies and gentlemen, I have been told that the army chief and the foreign minister have just gone for a very critical late evening meeting at the Prime Minister's residence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called the army chief and the foreign minister, and sometime back Home Minister Amit Shah had a meeting with the foreign minister Jai Shankar and C.R. Patil at his residence. And so, you know, two big news points that we have out here. Big meeting underway at the Prime Minister's residence, ladies and gentlemen. Big galvanization from the Indian side. General Dayal, this is all moving very fast developments.
Arnab, we have to move fast because, you know, Pakistan is at present in a state where they are confused. We are very clear. They are the culprits. They have promoted this. They are the people behind all this in Pahalgam. And it is time
they
to
made the
teach
admission
them.
also in this.
They make an admission. And I'm one of those, Arnab, whether they make admission or not, whether there is international community or not.
We go for it.
India is got enough power,
We're going in for it.
enough military power to once for all teach them a lesson. See, the only lesson they understand is when their army is depleted, diminished, defeated. And they themselves, I tell you this, Patrakar, I am telling you.
Asim Raza.
We did not throw Yahya Khan. Asim, we did not throw Yahya Khan. We did not throw Ayub Khan. They were military dictators and presidents of your country.
Oh yeah.
We defeated your army, humiliated them, your people threw them out, and then, listen to me now. Listen, I am talking factual. Listen. If you are
you're giving the wrong information and wrong statement.
Let him reply करेंगे जनरल साहब बोलिए आसिम जी बोलिए
फैक्चुअल बात करो
मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रहा हूँ ना फैक्चुअल बात आपके सामने यही है कि अगर जंग लड़ने तो आए हमने कब रोका है आपको तो पूरा करें
Listen, I told you factually in 19 who threw Yahya Khan? See,
ये क्या कह
मैं कहता हूँ वो तो कामासूत्र है, ब्रह्मपुत्र नहीं है। आपका जो ब्रह्मोस है उसको तो आपने पिछले दिनों छोड़ा था ना, जो कि आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होकर डेड सी की तरफ पाकिस्तान में आके गिरा बुरीदके में। तो आपके पास मैं कहता हूँ ठीक है, आप माइटी पावर हो, आप आओ।
let General Saab take.
टाइम वेस्ट क्यों करते हो? अभी 26 आवर 24 आवर अल्टीमेटम आपने दिया है।
जनरल साहब जवाब देंगे, मगर असीम जी आपको सुनना होगा। ये 24 आवर 36 आवर आप कह रहे हैं, मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, ये 24 आवर 36 आवर हमने नहीं की है। एक अजीब से दिखने वाला आदमी है, पता नहीं कार्टून टाइप का कैरेक्टर, दिखने में अजीब है। वो क्या नाम है उसका, वो तरार आके कह रहा है अभी अटैक होगी। आपके इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर खुद पैनिक में है। 1 मिनट असीम, आपके इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर हर 6 घंटे आके बोल रहे हैं इंडिया अटैक करेगा, इंडिया। आप देखना चाहते हैं? आई वोट प्ले हिज बाइट।
Your polity is clouded. Your military leadership is under clouds. You know, this is called confusion. And in this confusion, we are coming and we are striking you. I will tell you another. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen. Either talk factually. Talk factually. Ziaul said, "Na, we will give you 1,000 cuts and you will bleed it, and then we'll bleed you. We will come at 1,000 places and attack you at 1,000 places.
क्या बोल रहे
It is just a matter of time.
बड़े-बड़े हो गए आसिम
We
जी
will strike you at 1,000 places and we'll break you into 1,000 pieces. You
क्या
must
बोल रहे
remember
व्हाट
this.
इज ही सेइंग क्या बोल रहे
What was that? जब राजीव गांधी को उन्होंने कहा था we have a football.
क्या बोल
Why भाग गए थे आप लोग? क्यों भागे? मुशर्रफ ने कहा 2002 में आओ ना, भाग गए.
We never.
कारगिल में जूते पड़े, भाग
You
गए.
people went to your. That's what your military leadership does. In Kargil, your military leadership went under the bloody bunker and sent your poor prime minister to US to plead, stop Indian Army. This is what you do. In 1971, military leadership pleaded, Bhutto, please go back.
now there's one more point which I want to raise. देखिए
These are factually
देखिए it is ये इधर आके ये सब करना, पसीने होना, आंख बड़ी बड़ी करना, आ जाओ ये सब करना. देखिए
Are you jealous with my eyes?
आपके पहले आपके
Within 7 days, your army will be armless. You will be, your complete army will be disarmed and will be POWs, and rest will be diminished. I can assure you, you will throw Munir into, your people will throw Munir into your own prison.
ये क्या चिल्ला रहे हैं? बोले क्या बोल रहे हैं
ये क्या हो रहा है मुझे बताओ अरनाब साहब, ये अगर प्रोग्राम करने के लिए आप ये करना चाहते हो,
आप जी
दिस इज नॉट द वे.
What is not the way? आप कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे. मैं आपको देखिए, मैं आपको कह रहा हूं, आप ये नंबर देखिए, आपके 15 बिलियन है, आपको 22 बिलियन इस साल को देना है. आप अगर कारगिल एक मिनट सुनो, अरे सुनिए मेरी बात, अरे आई टेल यू, ये आओ मत करो भैया. ये अगर समरपाल तूड़ ज्यादा बोलोगे ना, समरपाल अगर आ गया ना, भागोगे तुम. इसकी फिगर देख के भाग जाओगे आप, आओ नहीं करोगे.
इंफॉर्मेशन ठीक करो. पिछले प्रोग्राम में भी क्या था, हमारे तो कर्नल शेख की डेड बॉडी है, और मेरे भाई तुम्हारे ब्रिगेडियर.
ये समरपाल तूर ऐसा खालसा है ना कि अगर आगे आप समझ नहीं पाओगे उसको, आप संभाल नहीं पाओगे.
चुन के निकाल के मारेंगे, देखना अभी. नो प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर, 93,000 लोगों को चाय नहीं पिलानी हमने. नो प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर दिस टाइम. इनफ इज इनफ, बहुत हो चुका. सिस्टम का मजाक बना के रखा हुआ है तुम लोगों ने. ह्यूमन लाइफ की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है, ह्यूमन राइट्स की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. अभी परसों एक अनार्म्ड औरत के साथ बदसलूकियां हो रही थी सड़कों पे.
अच्छा, नाउ द सिचुएशन ऑन द वाटर फ्रंट मैं बताना चाहता हूं. 8 days back when the cabinet committee on security held the Indus water treaty in abeyance, the Pakistan called it an act of war. चलो कर दिया फिर act of war. The Indian government made it clear not one drop of water will flow from India. You know, and I want to run a package today on the situation with the Chenab River. भाई देखो आसिम, अपना भला समझो, ये पानी सूख गया है. देखो 5-6 दिन में आप समझ पाएंगे आप क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ. Ladies and gentlemen, can I just run this latest package on what is happening with the water situation?
June they will die.
Yeah, in June, yeah.
Even before India's kinetic response, Pakistan is parched for water.
The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism.
India has suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, impact of which has been seen in these desperate videos. The effects of India's measures are yielding results. Look at this satellite image of the Chenab River Basin in Pakistan. The image on the left is from the 26th of April, 4 days after we suspended the Waters Treaty. And on the right, 3 days later, on the 29th of April, what you see is the Chenab River Basin dried up. 80% of Pakistan's irrigation depends on the Indus River. 61% of Pakistan's population is supported by the Indus waters, and 25% of Pakistan's economy overall is directly dependent on the Indus waters. And that is why today Pakistan is drowning following this Indus shock.
सखर में इसी सिंधु दरिया के साथ खड़े होके भारत को कहना चाहूंगा कि सिंधु हमारा है और सिंधु हमारा रहेगा। या इस दरिया से हमारा पानी बहेगा या उनका खून बहेगा।
उन्होंने कह दिया ना कि अगर हमारा पानी बंद करेंगे तो फिर जंग के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। ये जो गोरी, शहीन, गजनवी, ये चौकों में सजाने के लिए नहीं हमने रखे हुए, ये हमने हिंदुस्तान के लिए रखे हैं बाबा। ये जो 130 एटॉमिक हमारे पास वेपन है वो हमने सिर्फ मॉडल बनाने के लिए नहीं रखे हुए।
One drop at a time, India is exacting revenge.
And ladies and gentlemen, our reporter Riyanka is at the location where Amit Shah had a meeting with C.R. Patil. Riyanka, are you there? What happened there in the meeting? What decisions taken regarding Indus? What was the focus of that meeting?
Well, the meeting is currently underway here at Union Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, where Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil had arrived nearly half an hour ago, and the meeting is continuing to be on. Remember, the Indus Water Treaty has been held in abeyance, and that is what is the agenda. This is the second time that both the leaders are, of course, meeting together, and previously also there were three steps that were in fact taken: a short-term, a mid-term and a long-term step, which was in fact kept in one place. And regarding the same thing, it looks like the next step in a course of action is going to be chalked out in this particular meeting. On the other hand, there is also another meeting which was at Prime Minister's residence a short while ago, which is now over. This meeting was attended by the Army Chief, and we have information and the fact that the Army Chief has left from the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi nearly 10 minutes ago.
So this is this series. I mean, how do you see this? Generally, I take this to you first. I mean, these meetings are they specific follow-ups in your view to the statement?
Yes. You see, Arnab, we have taken the diplomatic action.
Yes.
Then we have taken a punitive action, which is purely economic.
Yes.
Water is an economic issue. And we are very clear that we have to go in for a punitive action by military force against Pakistan.
Right.
So if we have to do that, these are series of meetings. If you remember, the Prime Minister first made a public statement in a state. A Prime Minister of India does not make a statement without giving a due thought. He said, we will punish them, and we will punish them so severely that for lives to come, they will never be able to.
It's going to be a very
Then the defense minister made a statement. Right. And then the chief traveled to Northern Command. Then there have been series of meetings. Yesterday there was a meeting of all the three chiefs, the CDS, the defense minister, and the NSA with the prime minister. So there is a build-up going on. No, this is how war is planned, how war is. And this is how punitive action will unfold.
Yeah, and
Pakistan is getting messages.
I want to tell you that from 9 to 10 we are doing this whole military analysis of a wargaming situation. Colonel Shailendra, you know, in 3 days, we see this map in 3 days. Abdul Samad ji, आप देखिए चनाब का जो तस्वीरें हैं, satellite images. In 3 days, the bed has dried up. By the end of May, if the situation continues like this, you will have civil war in Pakistan. There'll be no water. A complete, it will be. There's no point even thinking of conflict at that time. Conflict तो आपके अंदर होगा. It's a serious situation. Today, Pakistan Navy is conducting all these live fire exercises near Karachi within its exclusive economic zone. It makes no difference because we have squeezed you from the waterfront.
Can I chip in for a second?
Yeah, I just want to get his view and then come back to you.
One small.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, a lot of people are thinking that we cannot divert the water from these rivers and ultimately it will flow in Pakistan.
We have that plan.
We have enough pipes in this country to know we don't have to dig rivers anymore.
Yeah.
You imagine we are getting crude all the way from there right up to Mathura. We are getting, so we have enough resources in next 1 month to divert the entire water to and series of water.
And as per government records, an average of 136 million acre foot water flows through the western rivers per year. Now, if we have a long-term plan to divert the water, how long before Pakistan has serious trouble inside? Colonel Shailendra.
If I can tell you one thing very clearly, the way you asked that last 3 days development, let me assure Pakistan, there will be no ifs and buts in this. Absolutely no. It's a very clear-cut thing. There is a strike coming to you. Magnitude, we will not discuss. It's not our job. But let me tell you, this strike will lead to. Sir, sun lo. You are on an international channel. Start behaving. You are speaking English. You are trying to. At least learn. We can learn from each other. No. तो फिर तू भी बोल ले. फिर मैं देखता हूँ how will you speak. I am giving you something very good. That this strike, there is a strike coming your way. Be rest assured, it is coming and it is going to lead to such prohibitive losses. Such prohibitive losses that you will not be able to bear, and your will to fight, your will to support so-called terrorism will die. Please don't make your awam suffer for that. My dear friend, behave, learn. Learning is always there. Let's not interrupt each other. I didn't interrupt you. Let us learn. What is the question asked is very simple. That will you be able to live without this water? You are saying that it's an act of war. Yes, declare that act of war. Let us see you declaring that act of war.
Okay, so you said that it was an act of war. One second. Logically speaking, you said it's an act of war. Now you're saying if we have already committed the act of war as per what you've said, it's been 9 days. What the hell have you done? Kar diya humne act of war. Now
they're making the troops.
They're waiting for the next one.
Now Sindhu River is going to dry up.
Oh yes. Come on. You don't have even capacity to stop that.
I would like to respond.
We have the capacity.
Sir, if I may.
Yeah, you don't have a capacity.
With all due respect, I'll just tell you one experience one real lifetime experience. I'll tell you. I was deployed in a UN mission to South Sudan, and when the war broke out, I'm telling you, the first day there was an influx of approximately 10,000 refugees, and trust me, we never saw it coming. That the second day, by the afternoon, all the refugees were in a riot kind of a situation because there was no water. And we realized that it is not the threat from outside, from the rebels.
Abdul Samad.
The refugees became a threat to us.
You have to realize your problem is within.
Your people will
Your problem is within. Your thirsty people will come after you, Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad.
The first thing, which we are trying to convey these stakeholders that this is not India which was in 1990. This is the new India with the new military might, with the new economy might. Try to understand that this is not that India which you were supposed to bleed India with 1,000 cuts. India has put its economy on the rise. India इतना बड़ा माइट बन चुका हुआ है, इतना माइट बन चुका हुआ है. हमें इंडिया ये वो इंडिया नहीं है, ये वो इंडिया नहीं है जौलक वाला, ये वो इंडिया नहीं है. समझने की कोशिश करें, आप अंडरस्टैंड करें. मैं आपको सेम वॉइस के तौर पे आपको मैं मशवरा दे रहा हूँ. इंडिया हमारा नेबर है, इंडिया हमारा नेबर है. इंडिया से हमें पीस शूट करता है, इंडिया से ट्रेड शूट करती है. इंडिया से ये ISI के चरणों पे पलने से आपका भला नहीं हो सकता. आपको ब्रॉडर रीजन में जाना पड़ेगा, ब्रॉडर अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेनी पड़ेगी. ये आपको यार अक्ल की बात सुन लो, अक्ल की बात सुन लो, नहीं तो जाओ खुदकशी कर लो, सुसाइड कर लो, गोली मार लो अपने आप को. Representing the global south. This India is representing the global south. This India, which is holding $650 billion as a reserve.
700 billion.
रीजनल स्टेबिलिटी की बात करो. आप बात करते हो, आप समझ गए यार 71 में आपको समझ नहीं आई. बलोचिस्तान में आपको शर्म नहीं आती कि भाई आप कहते हो कि जी हम 10 नस्लें 10 नस्लें इनकी वो नहीं वो कर सकती। और भाई
Ladies and gentlemen, I must say, बहुत बड़ी मीटिंग हो रही है. 1 minute. Army chief has reached the Prime Minister's house. Foreign Minister of India Jai Shankar has reached the Prime Minister's house. We have C.R. Patil, who's the Water Minister, and he is with Amit Shah at the Home Minister's house. And I have just been told, ladies and gentlemen, some time back, that the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has also reached the Prime Minister's house. Something big is happening. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be tracking that. All the Army Chief, Navy Chief, Air Force Chief have also come to the Prime Minister's house. Amit Shah is at the Prime Minister's house. Home Minister will be joining soon. Foreign Minister. It's a super big breaking news evening, ladies and gentlemen. There's a big meeting at Narendra Modi's residence, and we'll be back in a few minutes with a wargaming strategy.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.